Trying to teach Makai some new dog tricks, just to kind of keep him involved mentally. So what I'm going to do is try to put this on his head and have him wait to eat it until I give him the word. So Makai, go ahead and sit down. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. Oh, stay there. Stay. Don't do it. Stay. Stay. Okay. There you go. Good boy. All right. Shall we try it again? Sit. Do some more. Another piece of toast for you. Good. Now, stay. Stay right there. I'm going to put it right there. Stay. Stay. Remember patience. Stay. Remember patience. Okay, focus. Okay, go ahead. All right, good boy.
Good boy, Makai.
All
Good
right.
boy.
One more time, Makai. I'll give you the big piece this time. Sit. Nice. Sit down. Okay, remember, this is heart-shaped here because it means we love you, okay? Heart-shaped. So, okay, stay right here. I'm going to put it right there. Shh, stay. Stay right there. Up, stop. Stay. Stay right there. Okay, shh. Stay. Stay. Makai says he loves you, and therefore you can have that piece of toast.
Yay! Smartest dog ever.
Good boy, Makai. Good.